Once it is saved, now go to field selection. Again, make GRUND reason for movement as mandatory. And go to reason for movement, new entries, enter the movement type, reason for reversing, return to, no, not return to vendor, cancel GR. You can also say something which is funny. Like I said, this is practice. You can do whatever you want, create whatever reason codes you want. So once you are done, similarly create another moment type for return to delivery and its reversal. I just muted myself. I'm still here. I'm just going to complete the transaction like we did earlier. Double click, go to short text, select language, and enter a description. Return stock. Go to allow transaction. Save it. Then you go to field selection enjoy, make GRUND mandatory, go to reason for movement. Let's say I don't want these things, delete it. Change the descriptions if you want. Let's say I want this to say return delivery, damage to stock, or vendor issue, or boss said so. You can even say don't like vendor. What is that? Right? So now, again for return delivery, I need to create a reversal. Go back, select 123, which is the reversal of return delivery. Enter the relevant movement type. Press enter, copy all. Again cancel. Click on continue. Double click on the movement type. Go to short text. Go to your language and change the description in your language. AJ01, cancel, return, and go to allow transactions. Ensure only Migo is there. If Migo is not there, select these things, delete it, go to new entries, 914, add MIGO, and go to help text, click on position, enter your language, and for Migo, change the description. AJ01, cancellation, or rather reversal of stock return, and save it. Once it is saved, go to field selection. Again, for this also you can make the reason for movement as mandatory. Save it, go to reason for movement and maintain the reasons. Now the most important thing, for each movement type that we created, I need to create the reversal or follow-on movement types. So for goods receipt, we go to reversal follow-on movement type. Wherever I see 120, In place of the standard moment types, whatever we have created, enter those moment types. 102, 912, 122, 913, again 102, 912. Save it. Back, go to 912, reversal follow moments. Again 911, in place of 101. Now this is very important. Please ensure if you're working as a consultant to make sure that the reversal and follow moment types are properly assigned. Because if they are not assigned, then they're going to take the default. And in the real time, it may be possible that these standard moment types may be deactivated. Right? So in case of that, the standard ones will not work anymore. Here, reversal of reversal will be 912. Similarly, 914, go to reversal, 912, go to 913, 911, 2, 122, 123, 113. Here for 913, I need to actually change it to 914, right? The same transaction code cannot be there. Save it. Now let's test. How do I test? Create a goods receipt, cancel it, and then create a return delivery and cancel it. So we go to Nico, select the purchase order, enter some quantity. Here you can take whatever moment type whatever stock type you want. If not, the moment type, change the moment type. When you go to moment type, now I'll see the moment type that we created. So select 911 and the moment type text is also going to change. Enter the document number, select the quantity, specify the storage location. Now you see reason for moment becomes mandatory. Let's say I don't enter a reason for moment. When I click on check, it will prompt me. It will give me an error saying reason for moment. Select the relevant moment, reason, click on check. You get a deficit, that's fine. Click on post. And it is posted. Now I want to cancel this entry. So select cancellation, the document number, and I click enter. It will give me 912 and reason for moment is again mandatory. So select, item OK, check, post it. Let's say again I'm going to receive the stock into blocker stock. Let's say now I'm going to receive into blocker stock. I'm going to click on item OK, check, storage location, check, data save, that's fine, post it. Now select return delivery. Again the document, it will show me 913. Again select the reason. Item OK, check, post it. Now when I cancel the return delivery, it should show me 914. And done. So like this, based on the movement types that we have created and the linkages that we have done, system will be able to allow you to carry out those activities. Now let's say I'm going to cancel the goods receipt itself, so that we don't have any stock receipt. Again here, randomly select the data, item OK, check and post it. So now When I do a goods receipt for this document, and show me the standard quantity. Okay, back. So this is how the configuration of inventory management is carried out. This ends the inventory management part. Yay!